morning, everyone. On the special occasion of Reading Month, I am here to present my self-composed poem on reading books. So, here goes my poem. One day, I was reading a book. It took long to know the truth. Reading more and more, I found deeper meaning of the things around. Words, phrases, narratives, and fiction has all to improve my diction. It improves our thinking and thought, makes us wise in a worldly lot. Reading makes me feel good, especially when I'm sad or need a friend to hook. Read yourself to know the truth. World's all mysteries are solved in the book. World's mysteries results in the book. So my dear friends, don't forget to read a good book. Thank you.